Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Terro liquid ant bait. So this is good for killing household ants. There's 12 bait stations here. Let's check it out. Directions, you just snap off the top, set it where ants are coming in, and it will definitely bring more ants into the location once they find this good ant bait food, but just let it be and they will all take this bait back to their colony nest, whatever it's called, and kill off all the ants. So this is what it looks like. It's perforated, so just like so, and then the top you just twist off. I don't want to do it now because I do need to set this downstairs in a good location, but that's what it looks like. You just twist off the top and set it and leave it. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. I'll drop a link in the video description on where I got this from. And yeah, hope you're all doing well. Good luck with all your ants. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.